If you want to maintain your privacy while using Tidal, you can hide your online status. Follow these steps to adjust your settings accordingly. Step 1. Open the Tidal app. Launch the Tidal application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Go to Settings. Navigate to the Settings menu. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon or the gear icon, typically located in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Find Privacy Settings. Look for the Privacy Settings option within the Settings menu. This section allows you to manage who can see your activity and online status. Step 4. Toggle Online Status. In the Privacy Settings, find the option for Online Status. Toggle this option off to hide your online presence from other users. Step 5. Save Changes. After adjusting your online status, make sure to save any changes if prompted. Exit the Settings menu and your online status will now be hidden. By following these steps, you can enjoy your music on Tidal without others knowing when you are online.